So are we live? Hi. All right. So a very good evening. Please let me know in the chat box कि you guys can see me and you can hear me. You know the drill. Please let me know in the chat box so I would know it has gone live. You know the drill. All right. All right. So yes, a very good evening, boys and girls. Today we would discuss the fourth lecture on electrochemistry, and I'm telling you, it is the best thing. It's really awesome. You would love it. And yes, I am Harsh Maheshwari. I'm gonna take up your session. I am from NIT Warangal, and yes, I believe in one thing: जो करो मजे से करो, otherwise करो ही मत. ठीक है? Do your best, give your best, put your heart in. ठीक है? And the result would be outstanding. ठीक है? All right. And yes, boys and girls, this is our daily schedule. Please make sure you take a screenshot out of it. Please screenshot ले लो. I'll be coming on Wednesday for this amazing MCQ. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ it's a humble request. मुझे 300 से ज़्यादा बच्चे चाहिए. सारे जितने बच्चे हैं जो देखते हैं सारी वीडियोस जो बाहर बाद में भी देखते हैं. I am urging and I am requesting. I want this Menti quiz to be an amazing quiz. I want everyone to be a part of it. तो पहले से ही बता रहा हूँ Menti quiz में सब बच्चों को आना है. That'll be on Wednesday, right? And tomorrow I'm going to do a puller for you guys, and that video is very important. 10 मिनट का वीडियो रहेगा कल का. Please make sure you be there. कल मैं बहुत amazing बातें बताने वाला हूँ. So tomorrow, like around 1 o'clock, I'll take a session, 10-minute session, a motivational session. You would definitely love it. ठीक है? Moving on, boys and girls, whatever the things we are giving you here on YouTube, similarly, we have our paid platform which is actually free right now. Everything is free. Sari classes free, and you get the live interaction, you get the live doubt clearance, you get the study material, you get the best teachers from NITs and IITs. So check that out. Link is in the description. Do give it a try. All right. Moving on. And yes, if you haven't subscribed, beta boys and girls, yes, Prithviraj, you have to subscribe, and you have to also press the bell icon so you would be notified when your favorite teacher is online and teaching you guys. Okay? And your favorite teacher is me. Yes, it's me. So you should be knowing. You should know when I am coming live. Okay? All right. Moving on. आगे बढ़ता हूँ. So boys and girls, last class mein we had discussed a quick recap. If I will take a quick recap with you guys, we had discussed spontaneity, right? The process in which delta G is negative and E cell is positive, we will say the cell is spontaneous. And you guys know any kind of cell you make, right? Any setup you make, cell always produce current. Cell will not produce current only in one scenario, when E cell comes out to be zero. That is when you have equilibrium. Equilibrium पे E cell zero होता है. We have already seen it. I'm just recapping this information with you, taking a quick recap. Similarly, maximum work can be drawn. It is equal to delta G is equal to, of course बेटा यहाँ पर minus है, delta G is equal to minus NF E naught cell, right? Maximum work, if someone will ask what is the formula, this has come up in JEE. सीधे का सीधा JEE में ये पूछा गया था. This had actually appeared in JEE. What is the maximum work done obtained by a work done given by a cell? Direct answer was delta G naught is equal to this modulus of minus NF E naught cell. Similarly, we have done Nernst equation last session. I hope you guys remember it. And yes, boys and girls, I do read out your comments. I have read one student name. His name was Ray Kiran, right? His name was Ray Kiran. So that student told me, ki, sir, one question is there. I have done a small mistake. I had derived properly everything. OP was actually 0.0591 into pH, right? So RP should be minus 0.0591 into pH. So he was right, and I have corrected him there. Why I am telling you that this particular point? If you feel like something is a miss or something amiss, just let me know. I always read out your comments. So comment में मैं हमेशा participate करता हूँ. Anything, any doubts, doubt which is genuine and relevant, I always try to give the answer back. Okay, so make sure you always comment down there. Comment section में important है. If I give homework, please make sure you give the answer. I actually check. ठीक है, मैं हमेशा check करता हूँ. Then there is also one girl, Rishita. She has been coming in my classes almost daily. So I always observe. I want every one of my sailor to comment down below. So I would be knowing कि who is my student. I should know. No, it's not just like online teaching कि आए पढ़ाए और चले गए. No, I want to know who's my regular student. Who am I teaching. I really want to know that. So make sure you comment down below. I always observe who is coming, who is not coming. कौन आके गाली दे रहा है, कौन एक्चुअल में पढ़ रहा है. I actually keep a track of that as well. ठीक है. So make sure you do that. All right. आगे बढ़ता हूँ. तो आज का चैप्टर, आज का सेशन इज वेरी गुड, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. वी हैड टू डू concentration cells, very very important concentration cells, and we will do electrolytic cell today. ठीक है, so let's begin without wasting any time. Let's hop into it. ठीक है, without wasting any time, right? This one, yesterday we stopped here. I am continuing the session from here now. Check this out, boys and girls. Thank you, Hara. Thank you so much. अब ध्यान देंगे बच्चे सारे, सब ध्यान देंगे. We had stopped here. What kind of cell it is, beta? Let me know in the comment box. This type of cell is called as concentration cell. You can notice anode and cathode both are same. Both are made from the same hydrogen electrode. So here E0 cell is going to be 0. I think we have discussed this in the last session. So it is quite clear, right? So E0 cell, since it is a concentration cell, is going to be 0. The question is find E cell. Find E cell. ठीक है, अब देखो how to do that. I am giving you this solution. This solution would be the fundamental for finding out all the questions. ठीक है, this will be the role in it. This will play a crucial role in it, and we have to learn a formula. So I am doing the derivation. Check this out. So at anode, this is our anode, this is our cathode. So at anode, oxidation happens. I am writing down the oxidation. H2 gives you H plus electron. The pressure here is given as P1. The concentration is given as C1. They are different. Yes, keep in mind because it is a concentration cell. Cathode में देख लो different है C2, P2. So I have written oxidation reaction. This is our oxidation reaction. This is we have written reduction reaction. Important thing to notice is the concentrations and the pressure were different. I am saying pressure P1, P2, C1, C2 concentration, right? So I have written. Boys and girls, quickly write Q for me. For this particular reaction, write quickly Q for me. सब लिखो. Q would be equal to, यही होगा क्या, C1 into P2 divided by C2 into P1. Are you getting the same answer? हाँ जी, ठीक है, सही बात. यस बच्चा, लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स में बताओ. बढ़िया, ठीक है. अच्छा, if you notice pressure is 1 bar. So pressure would be gone. So I am deriving here a very important conclusion. So if this would be gone, अच्छा, pressure के power raised to power half, because stoichiometric coefficients are maintained. So it would be raised to the power half. And since pressure is given to us as 1 bar, it will be gone. So E cell is equal to, you guys know, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591. The formula divided by n log q. I don't have the space here, so I'm writing down log q, right? And q value I am putting. E0 cell here is 0. E0 cell here is 0. So beta, the formula would come like this. Still, pay attention. We guys know, we all of us know now that pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration. pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration. So if we are smart enough, can I change the formula into this? सबको ये बात समझ आई? सबको ये समझ आया? What I have done, first one is using the identity. Minus है तो log की identity लगाई, and it became pH log of hydronium ion concentration from cathode side divided by anode side. Correct? ये जो है C1 बेटा, C1 is coming from where? C1 is coming from your anode, right? C1 is basically your anode concentration and C2 is your cathode concentration. So I'm generalizing the formula. I think ये सबको समझ आ रहा है. तो learn this formula. Learn this formula. Then we know pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration. So can I make this formula as this? Driving this formula from here to here. 591 pH cathode. Can I write like this? यार डेट चला गया क्या? Don't do this to me. हाँ जी, बच्चा समझ आया? अरे यार, not that. Yeah. Hi, there's a bit of a lag. Can you see me now? यार नेट ने ना परेशान कर दिया. Is it better now? Can you see me now? Airtel. I hate Airtel. Is it back again? तेरे साथ का रिश्ता मेरे साथ हो रहा है यार. My network sucks here. Is it coming now? Yeah, time waste हो रहा है. We can hate that. सही है अब? बेटर है? चलो वापस आते हैं इधर. Coming back. I think it's working now. ठीक है? All right. Better. चलो it's better. I hope भगवान please be with me. चलो. तो हमने यहाँ पे देखा this is concentration for anode. This is concentration for cathode. I have put it up here. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by n into log Q. Put it up here. You guys know you can play with the log property. Minus log A is equal to log 1 by A. That's the property. Simple, right? Similarly, you guys know pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration. pH is equal to minus log hydronium ion concentration. Correct? So using this, I hope it is working, everyone is understanding, right? Using this information, I can make the formula. I will recommend each and everyone to learn this formula. Two formulas I would recommend. Learn this, either this, use this, or this. Anyone. I have learned this one. E cell is equal to 0.0591. ये 1 ले लो यार. 0.0591 log pH anode minus pH cathode. I have learned this. So make sure you learn this. E cell is equal to 0.0591 pH anode minus pH cathode. It will work you. It will work for you a lot. अब देखो, ये याद कर लो. Take a screenshot. I'm gonna do a question on it. Let's do a quick problem on it. Let's do a quick problem on it. Let's do it. बताओ जल्दी से. Beta, first question. Is it a concentration cell? Answer me in the comment box. Is it a concentration cell? Pressure here was taken as 1 bar, so pressure got cancelled. ठीक है, mostly the pressure is given to you as 1 bar. अच्छा, by chance in the previous question, if pressure was not given as 1 bar, then you have to do it normally. But many a times we get pressure as 1 bar, and that's why this formula has come up. This formula is valid when pressure for both the anode as well as cathode is 1. ठीक है? Otherwise, this formula cannot be applied. So in this next question, my question to you, is it a concentration cell? Is it a concentration cell? Yes or no? If it is a yes, what will be E naught cell? What will be E naught cell? If it is a yes, what will be the E naught cell? E naught cell would be 0. So they are asking find E cell. We can find E cell. बड़ा आसान है. ठीक है. अब बताओ E cell के लिए बेटा. Simply I am giving you trick here. Pay full attention. This side is anode. This side is anode. This side is cathode. Check this out. बड़ा simple. So if I talk about anode बेटा, H plus ion concentration is mentioned to me as 0.1, which I can write as 10 power minus 1 molar. So pH would be what? 1. Simple. If I talk about cathode, मैं pH निकाल रहा हूँ, मैं फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करने वाला हूँ बच्चों, ठीक है? यहाँ पर H plus ion concentration क्या होगा बेटा? What will be the H plus ion concentration? Keep in mind, one H2SO4 can give you 2 H plus ion. Keeping this particular point in mind, the H plus ion concentration would be 0.0005 into 2. 0.0005 into 2. That will become as 10 power minus 3. 3. I hope the point is clear. ये बहुत important point है. Yeah, can you see me now? Yeah. We'll continue. Can you see me now? Can you see? I think it stopped buffering, beta. I think it's visible now. So we have just now done. It's not buffering anymore. We have just now said anode. This is our anode. This is our cathode. Anode पे the H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 1 molar. So pH would be 1. If I talk about cathode, be very careful. H2SO4 gives you H plus, 2H plus, right? So H plus ion concentration here would be, boys and girls, it would be 2 into 0.0005. That will be equal to 10 power minus 3. pH would be 3. Now please carefully use the formula. जल्दी से formula इस्तेमाल करो. That the formula which I have told, मैं आगे लिखता हूँ. The formula which I have told, the formula is E cell is equal to 0.0591 into pH anode minus pH cathode. This is the derivation we have done. है ना? Now tell me the answer. 0.0591 into 1 minus 3. So minus 0.0591 into 2. How many of you are getting this as the answer? How many of you are getting this as the answer? I know we are having network problem. और इसका कितने बच्चों का यही आंसर आ रहा है? Did you guys get it? Yes or no? क्या बच्चा समझ आया? बच्चों लोग समझ आया? क्लियर हो गया? तो ये काफी अच्छा सवाल था, काफी अमेजिंग सवाल है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिमिलर टू इट, एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर द नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, बट यस, maybe tomorrow my network would be fixed, the issues would be fixed for sure. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. One more question, a beautiful question in my personal humble opinion. It's a very good question, beautiful question. Let's do this question now. ठीक है, मुझे बताओ सबसे पहले for this question, is it a concentration cell? Yes or no? Is this question a concentration of a concentration cell? What do you think? Is it a concentration cell? How many of you say concentration cell? Say yes. Otherwise say no. Very good. You all are correct. It's a concentration cell. Definitely it's a concentration cell. Do not get confused by the fact that, sir, here there is a base. Beta, if there is a base, there would be H plus ion also. Only in little amount, but it is actually the same cell only, right? Do not get confused. If there is, you are saying there is base, there would be an acid as well, but in little amount, that's it. So what you have to do, same philosophy, anode, oxidation, H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 1 molar, so pH would be 1. What about cathode, beta? What about cathode? Quickly let me know what about cathode. Cathode here, OH minus concentration we will write. For cathode, we will have OH minus, है ना? We'll get OH minus concentration. Answer is not 0, Mira. We are asking for E cell. Answer is not 0, Mira. Wrong answer. Thank you for playing anyway. Here, what will happen? Let me know. OH minus will come as 10 power minus 1. So POH would be 1. You guys know pH plus POH is equal to 40. So pH value would be 30. ये point समझ आया? It will not be, E cell would not be, E naught cell would not be 0. E naught cell would not be 0 because it's a concentration cell, point number 1. It's a concentration cell. Point number 2, E cell के लिए same principle. Base doesn't mean that there is no H plus. H plus would be less amount. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. I hope ये आपको समझ आया है. I have given a base here just to confuse you. This is a JEE problem which I have given here. समझे? Clear हुआ? Is it clear now? सबको अपनी बात डाउट तो नहीं आ रहा किसी को? I hope it is clear now. I hope it is clear. So quickly tell me what is the answer, sailors. जल्दी से आंसर बताओ. So E cell is equal to 0.0591 pH of anode. What is pH of anode? It is 1 minus 13. Correct? क्या माइनस देखकर हमारे को परेशान होना है? Do we need to worry by looking at minus sign? No. We will say कि yes, it is still producing current but in opposite direction. If I want to make this cell spontaneous, make cathode anode and anode cathode. That's the point I have told in previous sessions also. Yes? Clear है? थोड़ा थोड़ा जो बच्चे पूरी बात समझ आ गई है? I hope ये बात सबको क्लियर हो गई है, loud and clear. ये पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. आशा करता हूँ सबके पास पहुंच गया है. ठीक है? कोई डाउट तो पूछ लो. राइट, ऑल राइट, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मैं आपको एक क्विकली आज का एक होमवर्क देना चाहूंगा. मैं सेशन यहीं रोकूंगा और एक क्विकली होमवर्क देना चाहूंगा. आई डेयर ऑल ऑफ यू टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. इट विल यूज योर 11th क्लास नॉलेज. हिंट दे रहा हूं. हिंट, आई एम गिविंग यू अ बिग हिंट. Hint is formula is same, everything is same, everything is same. I'm daring each and every one of you. Hint is check out your 11th class, method. You have learned the chapter called ionic equilibrium, how to find pH of a weak acid. Everything is same, everything is same. You have to use the formula here. E cell is equal to 0.0591. Same formula you have to use. pH anode minus pH cathode. Same formula you have to use. But I am daring each and every one of you, and I encourage each and every one of you to give the answer in the comment box. I am waiting for your responses. Okay? I want each and every one to answer. Each and every one to answer. So would I be getting any answer? But should I wait for your answer? Who would get the right answer? Definitely I will say that this person has done it correctly. It's a dare for everyone. I hope you guys accept this dare. Okay? Sukanya, I think you're joining in for the very first time. I have talked about this in the previous session when I talked about concentration cell. Why E naught cell is 0, I have already explained. You can check there. pKa values are given to you, Ka values are given to you, so you can also make it in pKa form. Okay? Don't give answers now. I want you to answer in the comment box. आज के लिए मैं इतना ही कर रहा हूँ. Tomorrow we will finish the chapter. Since lag is there, I don't want to extend my class for any long where you would not get a better experience. I want it to be, let me fix my internet issues and get back to you. And yes, if you want to learn more, if you have cleared your 11th class properly, 12th class, you want to solve more questions on 11th class, you want to solve more questions on 12th class, assuming if you're a dropper, I would suggest you join this crash course. Beta JEE Mains is like the D-Day has been given to you. live lessons are there, live lectures are there. We are planning everything. We'll give you study material. We'll give you questions, amazing questions which you can work on. Best teachers would be there. So definitely try this crash course. And best part, if you will use my coupon code, you'll get a heavy discount. And this will be available to you. You know, this will be you can avail it at a very marginal price, and you can get the best test series. Analysis would be done, everything, whatnot. Best teachers are there, study material, content, live discussions, and JEE problems, previous year's JEE mains as well as advanced problems with AIR ranks you would get for all those things. Okay? So I hope you would definitely join and check this out. So that's it for me today. See you next time, boys and girls. And yes, of course, this is the series. If you have not been watching my, electrochemical series or entire series of, solutions, do check it out. We are doing amazing stuff over here. And yes, join the Telegram app, because boys and girls, I am posting there, other teachers are posting there, giving you assignments. Make sure you join the Telegram app and our channel, that is Vedantu JEE. Okay? And if you have liked this session, if you like the questions we have done on concentration set, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, our channel, and yes, make sure you drop in and write the answer for the particular question given as homework. I dare each and every one of you. So thank you so much. Much love to all of you. Be safe, stay safe. Bye bye.